Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So my name is Ananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make this very pretty and beautiful greeting card which looks amazing. And I've especially prepared this for Easter or for Mother's Day because it's coming in June, and I hope you guys will like it. So in the outer layer there are amazing flowers, and herein we have a lot of hearts. So let's see the tutorial and give a big thumbs up. Bye guys. So let's start. So for the first step I'm going to take this blue tint sheet of dark blue color, and now what we are going to do is we're going to fold it into half, and now on the scale I will be measuring 3.5 centimeters, and now in the center we are going to sketch a circle like this. So here I sketch the circle, it won't be visible. So now we have to cut it out. So like this here I've inserted the scissor, and now we will take it out gently here, and now just cut the whole circle like this. So this way I've cut the circle like this, and now what you have to do is I've made these flowers like this. So now I'll tell you all how to make these flowers. So for the first step we'll be taking this neon sheet of orange color, neon orange, and now what I'm going to do is take a small part of it like this, and just cut it out. Like this. Take this part, now just fold it like this, open it, and from here do it like this. Do the snowflake fold, and now what you have to do is, now we are going to draw a figure like this. Let me show you how to draw this. Now we'll draw it. So like this we've made it, and now we'll cut it like this. Remove this part, and we get the flower like this here. Now it will come in pairs, so you have to separate it from here. Gonna cut it here like this, and then just paste this part over this part with the Fevicol. Apply some here, get it here to make a 3D flower. Now what you have to do is with a pencil we will curl these edges to make them look like a pop-up bun. Just roll it like this on the pencil. Now you have to make one more flower like this after cutting it, and then you have to, it's like this from the back. So now you have to just pop this part up like this. It will look like this, and from the back a hole will become. So in this hole I will put some Fevicol, and now just press it inside to obtain this beautiful flower like this. And now what you have to do is, I'm gonna take one pearl out of it and place it in the center. Now, arranging the flowers, first what we will do is one here, and one above it like this. So first I'm gonna place this flower. Actually the Fevicol doesn't come out that well. So I'm placing this flower, place it a little in outwards direction. Place the other flower also under this one like this. And now we will take one flower of this type and stick it above them. We will apply some glue here. Place it above like this. Similarly here, we'll place these two flowers. Second flower, side it. Then the third flower here. This pattern. Now I've made this leaflet which I will stick here like this, and I'll also tell you all how to make this leaflet. Like this I'll place the leaflet. Now to make the leaflet, we'll take this sheet of paper and I'll draw a figure like this. So like this we will draw the leaflet, and now just cut it out. So guys, like this I've cut the leaflet, and now along with the leaflet here like this, we will stick some leaves and complete the outer portion. So guys, like this I've completed the beautiful outer portion, and for the inner portion now what we have to do is, I'm gonna take this sheet, a white color, and stick it here. So guys, like this I've sticked the sheet inside, and now what we have to do is, I've taken a square sheet or glitter sheet and I've drawn a heart. So now we will cut out this heart. No size taken for this heart, but the square was of 5 by 4 centimeter, the length was 5 centimeter, and breadth was 4. So now I've done like this. Now I'll fold it into half, and now what you have to do is, I'll draw a small heart inside it and just cut it out like this, and we're going to take both these parts. I'm going to do it like this, and now what you have to do is, now I'm going to put some glue on this. Put it like this here, and the second part also here. So I'll apply some glue on this also and stick. So I've stuck the second heart also, and this looks very beautiful. Now what you have to do is, I am taking this origami sheet of 15 by 15 centimeters. Now I'm going to fold this like this, then like this, and I'm gonna do it like this, and then like this, and like this. To make a squash card, you can also make a squash card by the traditional way, but I don't use that way because I found that a little tough, so I prefer using this way. So like this we have made a squash card, and now I will draw a heart on this and cut it like this. So like this I've cut the heart, squash like this. Now decorate it. So this way I've made this, and here I've written enjoy to the most, And now we are gonna just stick it here, a little here. So here I have applied glue and now I'll stick it here like this and just close it. So this way a very beautiful and pretty greeting card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and I'll meet you in a new video. Till then, bye guys.